Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, and welcome back to the shop. We have a cool 4Runner and Lexus GX compilation for you guys to enjoy today. Starting off with this 2023 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro in Solar Octane. We just installed a king setup on this one with Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and old Man Emu rear lift springs. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in the city of Baldwin Park, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you'd like to schedule an appointment and get on calendar with us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. This 4Runner is now ready for pickup. Next up, we have the white GX460 next to it that's gonna be pulling right in for a new suspension lift. We're doing the King 2.5 Remote Reservoir Coilovers and shocks on this one with compression adjusters, also with some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and rear Old Man Emu lift springs. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going to be doing the Method MR703 bead grip wheels wrapped up in a 285/7017 BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. There was minimal trimming required to clear this tire size and wheel setup. We did modify the front fender liner so that it clears properly with articulation. And as usual, we bring this one out for a quick test drive around our parking lot and cul-de-sac. Everything turned out great, so it'll be ready for our customer to pick up. Do you guys like the King package but think it's overkill for what you're trying to do? Here's another great option for your 4Runner or Lexus GX. This right here that we're doing on this white colored 4Runner is the Bilstein 6112 setup with 5160 rear shocks, SPC upper control arms, and our Old Man Emu rear lift spring lift setup. We have these available to purchase, already assembled or not, on our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We do ship these to all 48 lower contiguous states. And if you're local to us and want a set of these installed on your vehicle, reach out to us anytime by phone or our contact form. And movie magic happens here. Front Bilstein 6112s and 5160 rear shocks have been installed with SPC upper control arms and the OME lift springs here. We're going to throw back on the bronze TRD Pro wheels with the Falcon Wild Peak AT3W tires that it came in with. Once the vehicle is back down to the ground, we torque all 4 wheels and tires down to spec before we bring it out for a quick test drive. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Next up, we have another white 4Runner that's coming in for a King package that you see right here. We're also doing a Fox setup on this other Army Green 4Runner TRD Off-Road. We're doing the Fox 2.5 Remote Reservoir Coilovers and shock setup with DSC on this one here. We're going to pair up these Fox shocks with a set of Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms to maximize articulation and to correct the alignment angles. We're sticking with some OEM TRD Pro SEMA wheels that we're wrapping up in a 285/7017 BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2 tire for that Army Green 4Runner. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Everything looks great, so it's going back down to the ground and getting all 4 wheels and tires torqued down to spec. Here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, we stock a ton of Fox and King products. If you're looking for something like this for your vehicle, make sure to reach out to us by phone during regular business hours or message us now on our contact form. That's a wrap for this Army Green 4Runner. This one's ready for the customer to come by and pick up now. Over to the white 4Runner, our techs are finishing up the installation process of the King suspension setup with the Camburg upper control arms and OME lift springs. Next one up is this Lunar Rock 4Runner TRD Off-Road that we previously installed a King suspension setup on. We also did some Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms on this one with rear old Man Emu lift springs. The wheels are Method MR316s in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset in a matte black finish. We wrapped it up in a 285/70/17 BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2. We have another Lunar Rock TRD Off-Road 4Runner that's in here for a Bilstein 6112 setup, 5160 rear shocks, Old Man Emu rear lift springs, and Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms up front. Here's a 3rd generation 4Runner that we just installed a Prinsu full rack on. We also installed a 40-inch white S8 light bar from Baja Designs and some Squadron Sport amber colored ditch lights. And after this 4Runner's done, we're pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. Just make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. We thank you very much for tuning in, guys. We greatly appreciate it. Until next time, take care, guys, and enjoy the rest of the video.